Hi everybody, this is Suzanne Hiron from Memier Papyrus. Today we're going to be making a simple little card with the stamp set Under My Umbrella and its coordinated punch, the Umbrella Builder Punch. Let's get started. All right, April showers bring May flowers. Let's have this simple little card with the Under My Umbrella stamp set. So I started with a piece of thick whisper white that is 11 inches by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2. So that's my base. Let's put that aside for a bit. This is the Designer Series paper that is in Granny Apple Green. So I will use some snail, add that to my card base. And this is 5 1/4 by 4 inches. Now to have the top of my card with the little umbrella stamp, I wanted to stamp the umbrella on the Designer Series paper to have that matching effect with the card base. So I'm going to take a D block and my Night of Navy ink, and I'm going to stamp the umbrella on my Designer Series paper like this. And we have the Under My Umbrella punch here. So I will use that and just punch it out. So there's one piece. Now this is my whisper white piece for the top where I'm going to glue my umbrella. So I just want the handle here, a small block. Position it right about here. And that looks good. I'm going to have a little bit of raindrops right here. Whoops. And I'm going to use some gray granite for my raindrops. So the umbrella is going to be covering some of them, so it doesn't really matter. Now I want my pair of boots to match the umbrella as well. So my little rain boots here. So cute. And I'm going to stamp them on another piece of cardstock, a white cardstock. So just a little bit of fussy cutting here, but the boots are so easy, really. It'll take no time at all. So here are my little boots. Do the same thing here, but I just want the top of the boots. Leave the sole in Night of Navy. Just do the inside of the boots. So now I have my little rain boots. Stick that on with a bit of snail. And I'm going to put them just about here and have some little flowers coming out of the boots. So these look about right. Position my boots. Yeah. Get my little flowers. And I'm going to take some blends, Stampin' Blends, and just color them lightly. So this is Petal Pink and a little bit of Granny Apple Green. I'll use a Stampin' Dimensional or two, one for the boots, right here, two for the umbrella, right here. So now I have top of my card. I'll use my piece of Night of Navy. Stick that on. Once you've got the two corners lined up on top, the rest just follows along. So now center that a little bit. Use some more Stampin' Dimensionals to give it a little oomph. There you go. It helps when you have this kind of paper because you can kind of count the little squares on each side. So it helps to center it properly. So that's the base of the card. Now we'll have the Hello Sunshine, and I've punched this out already. I'll just stamp that greeting. With the Night of Navy as well. Just fits. And I'm going to take just a tiny little piece of ribbon and use some glue dots to stick that on the card. There you go. Guess I need another glue dot. Hold this piece down. Another dimensional for the tag. There's your card. Hope you enjoyed this card. Very simple and easy to make. We'll see you next time.